Hey, everyone! Have you ever found yourself squinting at your monitor, thinking things could be a bit clearer, or maybe a lot smoother? Well, adjusting the resolution on your Samsung monitor might just be the trick you need, and it's super easy to do. All it takes is a few clicks. First things first, head over to your desktop, give it a right click, and look for Display Settings or Screen Resolution, whichever shows up based on what computer you're using. Once you're in the Display Settings menu, just scroll your way down to the Display Resolution section. That's where the magic happens. You'll see a drop-down menu filled with different resolution options. These options depend on what your Samsung monitor and graphics card can support. Go ahead and pick the resolution that catches your eye. Click Apply to see the change right away. A prompt might pop up asking if you want to keep this new look. If you're happy with it, hit Keep Changes. If not, no worries, just select Revert to go back to how things were. Remember, it's crucial to choose a resolution that's recommended for your monitor to keep everything looking sharp and running smoothly. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to get the most out of your Samsung monitor by fine-tuning the resolution to suit your needs. If you find this video helpful, then like, subscribe and share the video to help us to get our first 1,000 subscribers.